Okay guys, we got a refrigerator door here. It's really strong. The little crack we got there is from two BK Kinetics hitting it at about 70 joules. That was some alien play. We hit that with the VKS in another video. We're gonna hit it with a 200 joule launcher today and see what happens. We're set up at about 21 feet. It's the best I can do for distance in my garage here. We're gonna be set up over here, hiding behind this chair, trying to stay safe. Hope you guys can see everything that's going on from back there. Got one of the monsters here with the long Home Defense 24 ASA. Got our safety glasses and the hard hat just in case. And we are going to see what we can do. Sorry, it's a little stiff. Dang. There we go. Air it up. Let's see what it gets. $211 joules. $208 joules. 210. 189. And there she goes. Let's set it back up real quick. I'll tell you right now, that's going all the way through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should have a couple more. That was it. Had a little bit of an issue there. I don't know if I popped an O-ring or what. We're all degashed. Look at those holes. Punching all the way through it. With the AR Tactical, I think we're using the 10 gram. Couple of them popped through. Most of them embedded in the insulation of the refrigerator. Dang, that's real thick insulation too. It goes all the way through to keep the cooling. And a couple of them still came all the way through. 200 joules is insane. Oh yeah.